Hola friends, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would do a eating like someone that is big on the YouTube world, I guess. Sorry. So I picked Olivia Jade because she's just a picky eater, and I thought it was interesting just to do her. Jeez Louise. Plus it's also easy because she eats what almost everyone has in their fridge or pantry. So I took this from a video that she did almost a year and a half ago from July 28th, 2017. I'll have it linked down below. So I'm just gonna get started with breakfast. It's currently 10:21. It's Thursday. Yeah, so it's currently Thursday at 10:21. So my Thursdays are usually pretty chill, so I just chose to do this today because of that. So I'm just gonna start off with breakfast, and she had on her video some toast with peanut butter and banana, and then some hot water with lemons or limes with lemon, and then just like iced water. So I'm gonna get started doing that. Instead of toast, I'm just gonna have an English muffin. Ooh, lighting. Okay. Just gonna have an English muffin because I don't really eat just regular toast, and I didn't want to buy that if I'm not gonna eat it. So I'm just gonna have this Thomas English muffins, blah blah blah. Breakfast like no other. All right. So this is what I'm gonna have. I'm just gonna have half of it because I already ate the other half yesterday for dinner. For peanut butter, I use I don't know how to say that brand, but this one. Yeah, I buy almost everything at Walmart, so if you're trying to buy anything, you know where you find them. Alright, so here it is. I just finished making myself some breakfast, Olivia Jade style. So in her video, she had a toast with peanut butter, banana, and I think she put some cinnamon on it. I'm not sure, but I like it that way. So here's mine. Just a little tiny one because I'm not really that hungry, and it's the morning. I'm probably gonna have some snacks later before I just start with my life. I don't know. I don't even know what I have going on today. And then I have my hot water with lemons, and I have my iced water, which is the bottle that I take to class every day. So I'm just gonna take a bite out of this and enjoy the rest of my morning. It's now 1:20, and I'm gonna have a snack. I have class at 3:30, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna have a quick snack and then have lunch in like an hour. Yeah, that sounds about right. So in her video, we don't have knives. So in her video, Olivia, no, I don't. So yeah, in her video, Olivia had a snack of just celery and carrots. So that's what I'm gonna have. I just have cut and peeled baby carrots. So that's what I'm gonna use. She did all fresh and she cut it all of her stuff. And then I have some celery that I'm gonna cut up and eat. I'm gonna add some hummus to it just because I like to dip my carrots in it. She didn't do that, but I'm gonna do it. So here's my snack. I'm just gonna eat this in the couch while I keep watching some YouTube videos. Alright guys, I'm back. It is now 2:30 and I'm gonna make some lunch before I have to head over to class. So in Olivia's video, she had some toast with turkey ham and avocado. So I have some avocados around here and some turkey ham. And as I did in the morning, I'm gonna use some English muffins instead of a toast because I don't really eat toast around here. So let's get started. Alright, so here it is. I hope you guys notice. Oh, that's shiny. How much I'm struggling because we don't have knives in our apartment. We think our roommate from last semester took them. I mean, she probably brought a whole lot of them, but pretty sure we're not all hers. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this now. Alright guys, so because I'm going to class now, I'm gonna prepare my snack. Shit! Alright, so I was gonna cut my apple before I went to class, but all the knives are in the dishwasher because we don't have enough knives around here. So, oh, I hate just eating, like, chewing on an apple. That hurts my teeth, and I feel like my retainers are gonna fall off. I feel like there should be more knives around here. I don't have any knives. Well, looks like I'm just taking my apple to class and eating it. Do you see that? Oh. Anyway, I'm just gonna take my apple to class and eat it there, and then I'll come back after my first class, get dinner, and then go back to my second class. All right, I'll see you guys at dinner.